I'm just going to show you a really quick 5-minute core workout with 3 different exercises. You don't need anything at all, just a mat or a towel and a bit of floor space. Okay, let's get down into it. Okay, so we're going to start off on our back. So just make your way down there, whichever way you would like. And then once we're on our back, we're going to raise our knees up like so. We're going to maintain that neutral curve in your spine, just bringing your belly button in ever so slightly just to firm that up and help protect your back. Okay, so the exercise is a feet slide, so we're going to extend our leg out and then sliding it back to that position and then doing the same thing with the other side. Okay, so we're going to do 10 or so each side. If that is a little bit easy for you, you can do the full bicycles. Okay, otherwise, just continue with feet slides. Okay, that's 3 and 4, 5, 6. Don't forget to maintain that belly button contraction. Doesn't need to be too strong, just nice and firm and maintaining that arch in your lower back there. Okay, a couple more and then we're done. Okay, great. Okay, we're gonna do a few crunches now. Only different to normal crunches. Difference to normal crunches is the fact that we're not going to come up and flatten out our lower back. We're going to maintain that curve the whole time, as well as it's going to be more of a hold as opposed to continuous repetitions. So similar to what we're doing in the previous exercise, we're going to straighten one leg out in front and we're going to come up for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower ourselves back down, bringing that leg up, extending the other leg, then up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back down, and swapping it up. You should be able to put your hands in the small of your back there. 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, you can keep your hands there, that's absolutely fine if you need that to maintain that arch. As we swap sides, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back down, swapping it up, 2, 3, 4, 5, back down, swapping it up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good work. We're going to stay on our back now. We're going to do some bridges, so knees back into the same position that we had them before. Okay. We're going to maintain these knees. We don't want them to splay out to the side. We don't want them touching together. Just want to pretty much have them shoulder width apart. What we're going to do is we're going to raise up into the bridge position using our glute muscles for a contraction of 5 seconds and back down and relax. And up. If this is a little bit too easy for you, we can do a single leg bridge and dropping that back down like so. Okay, up again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Let's go, 2 more. Up, contracting your glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, swapping it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. And we'll go 1 more. And then up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Okay, good work. That's a very quick 5-minute core exercise you can do anywhere with no equipment at all. Thanks.